Well, long lines are being seen all across Louisiana as Tropical Storm Francine gains strength in the Gulf of Mexico.
That storm is expected to make landfall in Louisiana tomorrow. KDKA First Alert Meteorologist Ron Smiley joining us now.
And Ron, we're talking about obviously a lot of wind and rain, but also storm surge, right?
Yeah, storm surge from this, but it's really going to be the big rain totals, especially along the Gulf Coast, places like Texas, Louisiana. And honestly, these are places that need a good rain right now. They're still suffering, similar to us, with drought-like conditions at this point. So this is going to bring much needed rain, but it's also going to bring, just like you mentioned, a storm surge their way, especially that Category 2 storm right at the Mississippi. This could lead to a lot of inland flooding also with this storm that we are expected to see. It was a little bit of a rough overnight period for Francine. It kind of broke up just a little bit, but it looks like now it's starting to get going again. Wind sustained at 65 miles an hour. It is expected just south of St. Charles to make landfall late Wednesday night, just before Thursday night as a Category 2 storm, and then continue to move inland. It's going to fall apart right there in parts of right at the Mississippi, at Arkansas and Tennessee, just south of Missouri. And even though there's still an outside shot that we could see some rain from Francine, we're likely going to be dry, not just the next couple of days, but really over the next week. It looks like not a drop of rain here locally. We need some rain also, just like they need some rain down in the Gulf. Drought-like conditions have really settled in. And really since June 1, our rain totals have been about half of what you would normally expect since then. We are still upwards, though, just over 6 inches ahead for the year. What are the reasons for that? Just how wet we were all the way through the month of May. 60 degrees temperature right now. The winds are calm. The dew point coming in at 45 degrees. Humidity is still low. High temperatures today are going to surge up into the 80s, 48 in Zelienople, but everyone else, I believe, are into the 50s out this time, including Somerset showing 52 degrees. That shows you just how cool sometimes that reporting site in Zelienople is. Beaver and Pittsburgh both at 60, Washington 51, and Wheeling at 57 this hour. I have our high temperatures today hitting 81 degrees, mostly sunny skies. Winds won't be very strong, just out of the west at about 5 miles an hour. So a little bit of a breeze, but overall, man, it's going to feel fantastic out there. Might be hot enough that you want to find the shade today, kind of big hide from the sun if you're taking your lunch outside. 1 o'clock temperature 77, 81 at 4 o'clock. Your 7 o'clock temperature there at 79 degrees. Here's your forecast highs. I have most places hovering at least near 80 degrees. I'll put Pittsburgh there at 81 degrees. I have Beaver at 83 degrees. I have Pittsburgh hitting 83 for our high temperature on Wednesday, and then we're up into the mid 80s for highs the rest of the week. Thursday 85, 84 on Friday. We will start to see a few more clouds around there. Pitt Panthers, the backyard brawl going on Saturday. It's looking fantastic weather-wise for that, with high temperatures in the mid 80s.